Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make moving text in CapCut PC using Keyframes. So for example, select the background and select text, select the full text, and you can just for the duration is some like duration of the text and change for the text. Right, to make the moving text, you are just going to scroll until you find the position and size. At right, just click on the keyframe button and swipe to the right, move the text, swipe to the right, move the text. So sorry, move the text. Sorry. Swipe to the right and move the text again. So you can do as before until the end of the clip. You can also resize. So this is the final effect you'll have on the text. So that's how you can create the moving text. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.